Huh? What? Have you ever driven into work and thought, I just can't do this anymore? Or maybe on Sunday night you get super stressed out because tomorrow is another Monday? Not because your job is terrible, but because you're tired. You're tired of asking for permission. You're tired of asking for time off. You're tired of missing your kids' sporting events. You're tired of making somebody else rich. You're tired of feeling like you're giving it all and the raise you get at the end of the year doesn't even keep up with inflation. And you're tired of knowing that if you quit today, the paycheck disappears tomorrow. This video isn't about you quitting your job. This video, much like the channel, is about helping you build a roadmap or a runway to where you no longer have to work for other people and you can bring your time under your control. I've always had an entrepreneurial mindset. From 14, 15 years old, I was mowing yards. When I turned 16, I picked up a bunch more yards and I drug a lawnmower trailer all over the county. I've started many businesses. I've been through the side hustles. I've made good investments and bad investments, always chasing that big number. But a few years ago, I realized something that really changed my mindset. I didn't need my magic number. I didn't need that FU money that people say. I didn't need FU money anymore. I just needed enough money, or what I call, I don't have to put up this crap anymore money. And those numbers are very, very, very different. I think you're a lot like I am in that you don't want to retire. And while the idea of setting up a chair and watching your favorite TV show or something sounds awesome, about a week into that, you're going to hate it and you're going to want more. We're human. We desire purpose. And the purpose doesn't mean a 9 to 5 job. The purpose is, what do I want to do? Do I want to coach my kids? Do I want to start my passion project? Do I want to work for myself? Do I want to volunteer? What do I want to do? And again, I'm documenting all this through this channel. I show you my exact math. I show you how this stuff works. I've not showed you my entire portfolio yet, but it's coming one day. I'm trying to give you motivation. I'm not selling anything. I'm not a fake guru. I'm just giving you the numbers. Look at my challenge videos. But this all started when we were growing up. We were told, go to school, get good grades, get a job or go to college, get a degree, work 40 years, and hope your retirement's enough. No one ever taught us how to build our income in a way that we could pay for our life and not have to show up to that 9 to 5 job. So let's talk about that number that frees you from that toxic 9 to 5 job. Do you know, what do you make every month? What are your expenses every month? Let's pretend we have a $1,700 mortgage, a $600 car payment, maybe $400 for insurance, $800 for food, $500 for utilities, $1,000 for miscellaneous. That's $5,000 a month. Maybe your salary's that, and maybe that's the number you need. But what would happen if your investments, be a rental property or dividend portfolio or whatever, could pay that $5,000 a month? What would change? You wouldn't have to work that job because you have to. You'd work that job because you want to. That's one of the main reasons I stay in my job. I love it. I love the team and I love what we do and what we support. But I've been building this roadmap or runway for quite some time, which is why I wanted to share all of it with you and my kids. So maybe they'll watch this and maybe they'll set themselves up for the future. Let's talk about passive income because I think it gets such a bad rap. I don't really believe it's a real thing, but when people hear passive income, they think Lambos and unicorns and sitting on the beach all day and never having to work again. I mean, those things sound amazing. I would love to drive a Lambo. I just don't know that I would ever really be able to justify it. And while all that stuff sounds really awesome, that's not what I ever really wanted. I think I want what you want. We want choices. We want to be able to tell somebody no. We don't want to be stuck in a toxic job. We don't want to be imprisoned by golden handcuffs. We want to be able to work our own schedule and own our own time. We want to travel. We want to spend time with our kids and our families, which is why I'm highly encouraging you to take a look at what's going on in your life now. For me, real estate is my #1 investment, but I have a lot of stocks. I've started a couple businesses and sold them. I've done the side hustle. And for me, I keep coming back to rentals. Why? Because somebody else pays the loan. The properties appreciate. Rents usually appreciate over time to stay with the market. You can refinance and you can repeat the process. Again, this video is not about quitting your job. And in fact, there's something that I have to address first and foremost called silent quitting, where people like do the bare minimum and disappear. Don't do that. You're better than that. You owe yourself to be the best you can be at whatever you're doing. But I don't want you to quit your job tomorrow. Instead, let's start building that roadmap or that runway. Let's think about investing in our expenses slightly different. How can I get my dividends to cover an expense? Maybe my car payment, then my groceries, then my mortgage, then my life. Think about this from the side hustle mentality. You don't need to replace your entire salary with your investment income. You just need to replace one expense at a time. Maybe start with Netflix, then work to your cell phone, then your electricity, then your car payment, then maybe your mortgage. Do these one at a time. Notice I never said you had to reduce your expenses. If you do that, great. Even better, you can buy more investments and it'll add up quicker. But think about that day that your dividends start paying for your Netflix, the day your dividends pay for your cell phone or your car. I remember some of those first days. It was amazing. And I'm getting the dopamine rush just from the dividend versus rental property challenge because I'm seeing in real time how much those investments are paying off. The feeling you'll get when your assets start paying your bills is something I can't describe to you until you just gotta feel it. And as you start replacing things, it gives you more self-confidence. It's probably even gonna make you a better employee because you won't be so worried about stepping on eggshells. You'll be able to do what's right for the company, you and your team. You won't worry about layoffs anymore. And let's face it, there's a lot of things going on in this world with the wars and AI going to take all of our jobs. You need to move your cheese now before somebody else moves it for you. Start the process today. And just to set the record straight, you don't have to be rich to start. I wasn't born wealthy. I didn't inherit any money. I just read a lot of books, watched a lot of videos, talked to a lot of people, and then I made a lot of mistakes that I learned from, and I kept going. You gotta be resilient. You are gonna make some mistakes, but I promise you, the only way you lose is to give up. You can escape. So what does the escape look like for you? Well, here's some steps that I want you to take now. First, I want you to comment down below that you're committed to do this, because publicly acknowledging makes it much harder for you to be like, oh, I'll put that off till tomorrow. I'll wait 6 months. No, put it out there. Say you're going to do it. Comment down below. Then I want you to read a book, watch an investment video, talk to an investor, maybe talk to a realtor and find a property that maybe you're interested in. Run the numbers, drive by neighborhoods, find a great dividend stock that you can start investing in. You don't need 50 houses. You don't need $50,000. You just need to start. I get it. Life's hard and things happen. Some of us maybe we're in a lot of debt. I have a video. Go back and check out how to get out of debt. We got to start moving now though, because maybe today you're 20 or 25. Tomorrow you're going to be 30. Next thing you know, you're 40, 50, and ready to retire. What do you have? If you start now, the future you will thank the current you. AI is a real threat to a lot of our jobs, and companies are being hit with a lot of expenses around AI, and companies are being forced to make hard decisions. I need you to commit down below that you're going to do this. Start setting yourself up now. I want you to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss anything, because again, I'm walking you through many different ways we can do this. This video wasn't about quitting your job. This video is about giving you choices, because the day your investments pay all of your bills is the day nobody can control your time. And my friends, that's what financial freedom really is. And while I started this channel late last year, was to start documenting the process, documenting everything, the wins, the mistakes, the expenses, the dividends, the challenges, the numbers. If you want to see someone actually build financial freedom versus just talk about it, subscribe to this channel. If you care about your friends, share this video so that they can be right there with you. And maybe you can hold each other accountable. Much love. Thanks for your support. Comment down below, like and subscribe, share this video. Stick around, we're going to do great things.